Okay, we're gonna try this. This is the Keto. I think this is, the company's called. Is it called Keto? The company? I don't even know. I always see the word keto in their products. I have tried some before. It's a warm day out here, so I'm using this ice thing here, plopping it on top while we'll be trying one of these bars. This is kind of a weird one because it has 11 grams of carbs and it has 3 dietary fiber. Now it doesn't have any sugar alcohol. Sugar alcohols will usually bring down the total of carbs as well. But this has something like 4 grams of oleose, or whatever it's called, that right there. I don't know how to pronounce it. And that also burns down the carbs. So it's a total of 4 net grams for one. Let's see what it has and what it doesn't have. Okay. It has 0 added sugar, 0 artificial sweeteners, 0 sugar alcohols. That's what I was talking about. 0 artificial flavor. It's gluten-free. It's a keto-friendly. It has probiotics. Now, a lot of the keto products will also try to be, almost all of them try to be gluten-free for some reason. I don't know if diabetics have a problem with gluten, or is it just something that they attract more customers if you have a gluten-free product as well as a low-carb product. But a lot of them are vegan. Now, this is not vegan. This one actually does have skim milk in there. Let me show you what it has. Down here is the ingredients. Can you see it? You might want to pause if you want to see that. It's had problems with getting it to focus. 70 calories on there, and this is what is in there, and this is all the nutritional information right here. So let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. It has one of these like zip things on top, not a cardboard zipper, I guess. Like that. And we open it. Yeah, I've had these products before, I can tell already. This one here is made with skim milk. I did another one that was made with sheep's milk. Sheep milk, a little weird thing. Now, a lot of these, in order to get them to be that, those numbers for keto, they'll be very, very small. So I'm not sure. Are these very, very small? Let's see. Oh, it's melted. Oh, wow. There's definitely something wrong with my freezer right now. These are all melted. Well, so much for that. This will be a part 1. Let's make this a part 1. And I will go put these back in the freezer. I've had these for a while. They're in the freezer door. Now that could be what it was. I have in the freezer door, and it has been relatively warm. I'll put these back in the freezer with this on top, and we'll make this part 1. So this is part 1. Ice cream bar, 70 calories, 4 net grams of carbs. Part 1, the melted ice cream caper. So don't forget, please subscribe, like, share, like it even though it's messed up. This is part 1. This will be part 1. We'll go ahead and refreeze them. I'll check my freezer temperature. My freezer is very, very full. That could be also what it is. But I have to eat that with a spoon, which I may, if it doesn't harden up by maybe tomorrow, let's say, then I will redo it. I will just have to, I don't know, eat it with a spoon. So I'm gonna put that away. Don't forget, please like. Please subscribe, please like, please share, please comment. And this is part 1. Part 2, I guess I'll shoot it. I'm out both on the same day. They'll come out on Tuesday. Tuesday is Taste Test Tuesday, so we'll have it that day. That's really weird. I've had them in there for a long time. I didn't even notice that. They were just like, you know, if you took the stick and go like this. Hey, it was just like a ice cream blob with that. No, when I open it, don't think it looks that way. If you were to buy one and to eat one, they're supposed to look like this. So we're not gonna be able to compare this to what we're gonna have in that package. I don't think. This is savory caramel ribbon, real milk and cream, 0 sugars and all that. So part 1, this is the first time we had a snafu like that. We've had snafus before. Things that didn't, you push the button to turn it around and you forget to turn it back on. Those kind. This snafu, I don't know what's going on with it. Hopefully my freezer's not going out. Our refrigerator's not going out. Take care, everyone. Have a great day.